Android devices have built-in animations that make things like opening apps and switching between screens look smooth. But if you feel like your device is running a little slow or you just want a faster experience, changing the animation speed can help. So before you can change the animation speed, you need to enable developer options on your Android phone. And here's how to do that. So you first want to go to your settings and then scroll down. That's me in my settings. Scroll down to where it says about phone. So on my phone here, you can see it's there. Now, you want to scroll down again until you get to where it says build number, and you want to tap this 7 times. By tapping this 7 times, this will unlock the developer options. Now, for security reasons, it's going to ask me to enter in my PIN, and it basically says I'm now a developer. So now what you want to do is go back to your settings screen and scroll down again, and you should now see a new option. Where is it? Under system settings, and you want to go in here to developer options. You want to scroll down until you see window animation scale. So by default it's set to 1. Now if I wanted a longer animation scale, I could set this to 2, and then you would start to notice that that would be a bit slower. You can also change it if you want to turn it completely off. So I'll scroll down again and you can completely switch it off, and this obviously makes everything so quick and nippy. There's no animation built into it at all. So find the animation scale that you want for your Android device, and when you're happy with it, all you have to do is come back out of the developer options, and that's basically it.